Hi, I'm Heather Miller, your Director of Events.
And I'm Lauren Thurston, your Events Coordinator.
And welcome back to your November 60-second newsletter.
Part 2. So for those of you who have not been here, we have been having s'mores at the playground, and we have that until Saturday, November 21st. So bring out the kids and have some fun.
And where does this take place?
It's at the pool.
Perfect. Later in the month, we have our Thanksgiving holiday events. So on November 26th, we're going to start with the turkey trot. That will take place at 9 a.m. You can come in at 8:30. The race will start promptly at 9. You must register in advance for this one this year due to the COVID kind of protocols that we're doing. We just want to make sure that we are being as safe as possible. We'll have the DJ, we'll have a continental breakfast, $20 per person. And then, once you've burned off those calories, head on down to Roland Park for your Thanksgiving dinner. We will have the tableside turkey as usual, our family style size. This is from 12 to 4, $60 for adults, $20 for children. There are private rooms available, so if you have a party 12 or larger, please contact the events team and we will be sure to take care of you. And then if you don't feel comfortable coming to the club, we also have to-go orders. On Wednesday, November 25th, you could pick up a cold order at Roland Park, or you could pick up on November 26th, hot from 5 Farms. So feel free to jump into any of that deliciousness.
Yeah, that does sound amazing. And don't forget to keep an eye out for our event pop-ups, s'mores and pours, and your super secret speakeasy.
I can't wait for that one.
I know that one's going to be so fun.
That one's going to be good. Figure out where it is. Good luck. Just a few reminders for the cancellation and registration policies. Again, registration deadlines are 1 week out unless otherwise noted. Cancellation, if you're within 14 days, that is a 50% charge. If you're within 7 days, that is a 100% charge. Health questionnaires and temperatures will be taken on site for all club events. And this again is just to ensure that we're being as safe as possible as we bring back our members inside for our traditional holiday events. And we will see you in December for your next 60-second newsletter. Bye.
Bye.